Today we're going to show you how to make what is commonly referred to as the crisscross bracelet, as we can see there. So let's have a look what you need. Butane, scissors, buckles, monkey jig, and 2 pieces of paracord. First of all, we're going to thread one of the pieces of paracord through the buckle and put it on the monkey jig. As you can see, half. Grab the other end of the monkey jig, work out the length that you require the bracelet to be, and then we're going to make our first little knot by crossing over. Grab the other piece of paracord and slide it all the way through the open knot and then tie it through. Pull that through, up and over again, as you can see there. Slow it down at any stage to have a good look at what we do. But basically now we're just threading the black cord through, and then we do the same with the orange cord. Sorry, pink. I must be colorblind. And we just keep going. So once you've got it once, you just keep going over and over again, doing the same. So grab the black, under, over, pull it tight. No, we did that slightly wrong. Let's try that again. Even experts make mistakes. Okay, here we go. We've pulled that tight. Pull the pink down, over, black. As I said, slow this down and see exactly how it's done, or speed it up if you're an expert, whichever suits you. Just make sure that, as you can see, the good thing of the monkey jig is that you've got a nice solid base, and you can make sure that each time you do your knot, that the knot is done correctly. So we are going to just, as you can see, you've got to keep trying. It can be a bit tricky, so just keep a clear head exactly what you're doing, and you want that little cross to happen. So you do that little tuck underneath, pull the black over, under, pull tight. Grab the pink, pull it up and over again, and then make a knot like that, and then you're going to flick that under. Once it's done, and you got that little X. And as you can see, we're going to speed up now because we've got that good at it that we're just going to go faster and faster. And we keep doing it, up, over, flick, up, over, flick. And before you know it, you've got a paracord bracelet. Well, I thought it was going to be done by now, but anyway, before you know it, anytime soon, we're going to have a paracord bracelet. Voila, one bracelet almost done. We've just got to put the buckle on the other end. So through the little U, and then you've got to put that all the way around through the bracelet, which will tie it off. And then we've got the 2 ends on. Then we've just got to make sure that it's all neat and tidy. So a little bit of fiddling around, just making sure that, obviously we're fast fiddling here because we've sped it up for you, but we've just got to make sure that the ends are tied off nice and nice before we cut it. Just double check it all, make sure that it's all done right. Just a bit of fiddling. Then we cut it off. Grab the butane. Careful with your fingers. Don't want to burn yourself. And tidy up all the ends. Keep cutting it. You've got the 2 longer strands now to do. Once again, cut, burn, and we're done. One crisscross bracelet.